AI can identify the most efficient construction methods and materials, reducing waste and lowering costs. AI helps optimize the use of materials and resources during construction. This not only saves money, but also reduces the environmental impact of railway projects. AI-powered design tools can create more efficient designs. These tools can simulate various scenarios and identify the best design options, ensuring that the final product is both functional and cost-effective. This reduces the need for costly rework or repairs later on. In summary, AI is transforming railway design by improving efficiency, enhancing safety, and reducing costs. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, making rail travel faster, safer, and more reliable for everyone. Section 4. AI in action. Transforming railways around the world. We can already see the impact of AI on railways around the world. From the bustling cities of Europe to the serene landscapes of Asia, AI is revolutionizing how we travel and transport goods. In Japan, AI is used to design and operate the world-famous Shinkansen bullet trains. These marvels of engineering are not just about speed. They represent the pinnacle of efficiency and safety. These trains are known for their speed, efficiency, and safety. Passengers can travel between cities in record time, all while enjoying a smooth and comfortable ride. In Europe, AI is being used to optimize freight train logistics, making the transport of goods faster and cheaper. This not only benefits businesses, but also reduces the environmental impact by making rail transport more efficient. Section 5. A future on track AI's continuing impact on railway engineering. AI is revolutionizing railway design. By integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning, engineers can now create more precise and efficient train models. This technology allows for real-time data analysis, which helps in predicting maintenance needs and reducing downtime. It is making trains faster, safer, and more efficient. High-speed trains are now capable of reaching unprecedented speeds while maintaining safety and comfort for passengers. AI systems monitor every aspect of the train's performance, ensuring optimal operation. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect even greater advancements in railway engineering. Engineers are constantly testing new AI systems to push the boundaries of what is possible. These innovations are paving the way for the next generation of trains. This will lead to new and innovative railway systems that are safer, more sustainable, and more efficient than ever before. Eco-friendly trains powered by renewable energy sources are becoming a reality, reducing the carbon footprint of rail travel. The future of railways is being shaped by AI, and it is a future full of promise. With continuous advancements, we are on the brink of a new era in railway engineering, where technology and sustainability